was a little girl, and Amin always told me that he wished to open a library cafe like this, which will be run by street girls and boys. And I told him I would always love to be part of it because I myself have a similar background. Every day I feel I'm growing more and more as an independent person, and also grabbing a lot of knowledge from different people all around the world. People from Spain, from Dubai, also from India, and these are like very talented people who come up with really good recipes, and they are very kind. They take their time out of their busy schedule and they come here and they teach us, and I love to explore and learn things. I think this is one place that they should really come and explore, because this is not something commercial, not something that some place where you can just go, eat and things end. No, it's a place where you can share your feelings, it's a place where you can explore yourself. Basically, they give you a platform to explore your talent.
When I speak to the customer, like mostly I speak to like project, our cafeteria project, to explain them the more project about this place, so more people can come. Like if you like the food and the concept, so you like the food, you can share with more people. Like there are more people, like almost like you have a friend, 10 friends, at last you will 10 friends. After that, 2 friends will come to you. They will like the concept, and then they will come. That's how like we're going one cycle.
My first flight ticket when I went to Barcelona. The idea has born there because when I saw a lot of cafe libraries and there are a lot of social ideas, and then I said why not one cafe to build. It took long time, and then finally I decided to work. It was 8 years ago, 2010, and from 2010 I started. So I wrote my book. It took me 2 years to publish my book. After publishing the book, start selling my book on traffic signal on the street, begging, and then from that journey it took 6 years to build a cafe in reality. Our coffee is coming from Bangalore. It's an organic certificate, 100% Arabica and 80/20. So he supplies us the coffee. Plus our chocolate is coming by volunteers or by myself. So when I go to Spain, my suitcase is completely full of chocolate, olive oil, oregano, rosemary, thyme. So all this coming from them, because oregano, rosemary, thyme, if you take, it's not the same taste, because you need Mediterranean, that's a Spanish environment, the air, and that taste make better. And chocolate, if you buy in India, it's not real, it's chemical and fertilizer. So that's why we're getting chocolate from Spain. So when you eat or drink chocolate, you know it's a real chocolate. This cafe is not about me. This cafe is about the people, it's about my children, about my boys and girls, what they believe. If they believe in it, they will take it up. If they don't believe in it, I don't have to push something believe like me. The feeling has to come inside.
So in this cafe, my role is that I'm doing accounting, and I'm zero in account, but he kept in me faith that you can do better. So Sarah helping me for the accounting, she always teach me like how to do, what to do. So I'm very blessed that I found Amin and Sarah. They are in my life, and all my brother and sister. I never feel bored in cafe. If I come from office also, if I go home, I will feel tired. But I'm coming from office to again in cafe, I feel always fresh, because you can feel the vibe good, and it is very energetic, and to meet new people, and when they are having something, so with smile. So that's why that's why we always feel we deal with the heart, not with the pocket.
I think this cafe has a lot of good things. Firstly, the food and the drinks are delicious.
I think the best about the project is that it's not only a cafe, it's a social project, and the most important idea of that project is to change world and make it better.
I think Amin is changing the world every day. So he demonstrate to the society, to the world, that another type to work and to live is possible.
Ves de que son capaces de hacer cosas viniendo de donde vienen que a lo mejor tú no serías capaz.
Y bueno, me he sorprendido gratamente de qué es esta cafetería, ¿no? Es como un pequeño jardín lleno de angelitos que están aquí trabajando y que tienen un sueño muy grande en la vida, que es salir del mundo de la calle, porque la calle en sí es lo mismo en todos los sitios. Y en la calle nadie te tiene en cuenta, tienes que sobrevivir para subsistir, para comer, para todo.
Ver a alguien indio que desde India se queda y defiende un proyecto de ayuda para el resto de sus compañeros, de sus vecinos, de sus compatriotas. Es bonito, es muy bonito. Y que él haya apostado por un servicio a la ciudadanía me parece increíble dentro de la individualidad que hay en India.
El amor que se vive dentro de esta cafetería. Todo se cocina con amor, todo se habla con amor, todo se transmite con amor, ¿no?
Y Bombay to Barcelona Library Café para mí es un sitio de crecimiento y de sonrisas y de amor, así lo podría definir. También vienen chicos que viven a la calle, niños, que están hambrientos y les proporcionamos de forma totalmente gratuita un bocadillo o un chocolate caliente o un vaso de leche. Y la mayoría de estos bocadillos están, bueno, los clientes dan donaciones para poder pagarlos, ¿no?
अगर आप लोग रोड का खाना कम खाओ उतना अच्छा है, जितना हो सके हमारे कैफ़े को सपोर्ट करो और यहाँ पे आओ.
Sharing is caring. If I can do this, you can do better than me. And all I will say, I am because of you.
We are because of you.